Hi, welcome to Food Delicious. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe. I'll be adding 2 new recipes every week. Today let's learn how to make peach smoothie. It's super tasty and very healthy. It's so rich and creamy, you'll definitely want to try this out. So let's get started. Enjoy this nice and chilled. Try this recipe out, and if you like it, please like the video, share it with friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe to Food Delicious. Thank you.